Before you begin surveying your concentrators, you will want to familiarize yourself with your student listing. This list is generated from the list of students who have left school after obtaining at least concentrator status in one or more programs. And each student in the state is listed for follow-up only once. When you select the Follow-up List Report button, the information provided may appear overwhelming at first glance. The key to reading your list is to understand how it is organized, as the student lines on the listing contain a great deal of valuable information. Reading across the first line, you will see the student's UIC, or Unique Identifier Code, which is a student number that is unique to each concentrator. This is followed by the student's name, grade, and any phone numbers on record. The next area on the list indicates the student's status in the follow-up project. By default, this is INIT for initial status, meaning the student has not yet given survey responses. The status will change to COMP when a student has completed the survey. Any concentrators marked as non-contacts, whether due to inaccurate contact information or refusals to answer the survey, will show a status of COMP NC or completed non-contact. A student with the self status has responded to survey questions using the online self-survey portal. Following the survey status, notice the student's sending facility and email address as well. The information that appears below the top line relates to a student's program, beginning with a set of parentheses, the zip code and PSN, and the name of the program. An X contained within the parentheses indicates the student's primary program. The primary program is selected by CTEIS and is based on advancement status. However, during your interviews, you may ask your student to respond to whichever program he or she chooses, regardless of whether it is a primary focus or not. Finally, the operating building for each program appears to the right of the course name. If you create a spreadsheet using the Follow-up List Export button, you will receive the same listing of students as previously, but in raw data format. This file contains the students' names, UICs, and contact information, as well as the PINs each student will need to log into the CTEIS self-survey portal. As you review your student list, keep in mind that it represents only those students who attain concentrator status in at least one wage-earning program and left school. Remember, some concentrators might be assigned to another building if they complete multiple programs. You can use the CADR button on your building listing screen to view those students. If you discover any discrepancies, including missing students or inaccurate exit statuses, please contact OCTE for assistance. The next step discusses conducting the follow-up survey. Click on the link called Step 4, Conduct Survey to learn more.